Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Butterfly Book Club. Make sure you have subscribed. Today we are reading Rainfish, written and illustrated by Lois Ehlert. When blue skies turns gray and it rains all day, that's when rainfish come out and play. They hide in debris until rain sets them free. Do you see them too, or is it just me? They love to splash in puddles and dance upon concrete. They gather in the gutters and then swish on down the street. But you better look fast, because rainfish don't last. One day they're near, the next they disappear. I wonder where they go from here. If I had a fishtail, I'd swim to warm seas, where new friends and palm trees would wave to greet me. Sailors see rainfish, at least that's what they say. But when they try to catch them, rainfish always swim away. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure that you like and subscribe. Check out our other videos at the Butterfly Book Club on youtube.com, and also click the link in our bio to check out our website that has free learning materials that go along with all of our book read-alouds. Again, please make sure you subscribe.